Kermit is crazy. He doesn't want me to touch him. Like, he doesn't want me to pet him. So his instinct is to fly on my head. So he's like, you can't pet me, I'll pet you, kind of thing. Oh, is that true? Is that... I'm getting his side of things. Oh. I hadn't thought of it that way. Yep. You're doing a little dance on my head, are you? It's so amazing how light these birds are, and it scares the living hell out of me because I keep thinking things like they're so light that they don't have much blood in them and stuff like that. So if they do bleed, it's not difficult for them to bleed to death because they only have like probably, I don't know, 100 milliliters of blood flowing through them or something crazy. I don't know whether it's 100 or 10. Pretty sure it's more than 10. Maybe 10. You feeling safe and comfy up there, bird? Yeah, he is. He's preening himself now. I still find it amusing. He doesn't want me touching him, but he's got no problem like sitting on my head for minutes at a time. You do realise that I'm still touching you, bird, right? By doing this. Oh. No. Thanks for the preen, bud. Oh. It feels... This is so strange because it feels like you got a weight on your head, but at the same time, you're feeling each individual strand of hair getting plucked and pulled. It's just... it kind of tickles.